Hi, welcome back to Lynn Kids Superstar channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video with a snow cone machine. Let's get to it. Okay, so it came with some instructions and some other stuff. Okay, let's take it out. Get it out! Pause. Okay, so you can tell that it's blue, and it was only $119 on sale. So let's open it up. Okay, so but so far it has a big hole for the ice. The chopper looks really big. And then this is where the ice comes out. And then this is to like, make it like, if this way you can do it, this way it's rough and then it's fine. So let's see if it does good. Okay, let's crank it. Okay, so now we're gonna be making snow cones, but first you're gonna need to get gloves, and then you're gonna need a cup, and then you're gonna need syrups. So I have cherry and blue raspberry right here, but drop in the comments which one's your favorite. Let's get started. Okay, maybe a little loud. Oh wait, gloves. Okay, we're gonna be putting more ice in. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it looks like that. Now we're going to be putting on some syrup. Start with cherry. So I like syrup in mine because I don't really like that much ice. So let's give it. My favorite kind of syrups are maybe watermelon and cherry. Let's see what your guys' are. Cause yeah. Okay, now if you listen to content, let's try it. I like that flavor. Okay, so we're gonna be selling them in summer. So make sure to stop by. Bye.